everyone, it's Lori with the Main Street Moms, and today we are here at Disney Springs Co-op for the new dress shop at Cherry Tree Lane. It opened this morning and we were here. I love how they have a whole look put together so you can Disney bound your favorite. There we go. It has been crowded. So come on in and take a look. I was able to buy some fun things. Have all your accessories. But you really need to try things on because they range in size. I didn't get to try that one on. We have everything from the Pinup Girl store, like the one in California. So get ready for Dapper Day is coming. That's what I'll be wearing Dapper Day. I love the Mary Claire collection with the skirts. But look how fabulous. Everything is super cute, and you're able to use your annual pass or cast member discount. And I love how they have the whole look put together for you. Just by adding the little gloves. But if you look at the apple closely, you can see the dwarves. Isn't that cute? Looks like a bite, but look closer. Fabulous orange bird. Orange bird. And again, like in the window. It's in the back of the co-op. We just started. The cast members are really helpful. And today, David is here with his designs, and the head of Dapper Day, Justin, has also been here to meet everyone, and ambassadors and everybody. Lots of Imagineers and ambassadors. And the lines have slowed down a little bit, but expect to wait. And you really do need to try things on because everything is different size. Just got her dress on backwards. So can you tell me what this is inspired by? Cute. Love all the Small World things. And of course the white polka dotted boxes. But the accessories are amazing. And everyone's dressed all fancy to come shopping. Included. So they are flying off the racks. Tower of Terror. And they have the hats and the bags to go with everything. You kind of peek in and see.
Here we go.
Everyone is very excited. And there was a line to get in. So you can guess what I bought today. What I do like is they wrap everything really, really cute. And they're all in dress bags. Ready to travel. And of course, ready for Dapper Day coming up. So it's small but powerful. You can see they're walking people down to the other stores to try things on. So right in the back of Co-op, right by Tag and the D-Tag, so straight back Disney Springs. I suggest parking in the Lime Garage because it's closer. Again, very fun, dopey, bashful dogs saying happy. And orange bird.
I've got to work on my presentation for this spot.
So there we go, and there he is, David. So thanks for joining us. We'll see you real soon. You know I'll be here a lot. Have a great day.